I'm making a goofy fighting game with my friends in Unreal Engine 5, but the twist is that we can't communicate with each other, which leads to total chaos in code and gameplay mechanics. You can actually download and play this game right now. Oh, and you can check out part 1, the link is in the description. And once again, I brought in my man Clyde for this challenge. With that said, let's jump right in. Alright, at the moment we have a fun top-down goofy fighting game, where the objective is to survive the maximum amount of time while enemies continuously spawn. But there are some ideas that I want to add. That's right, I added a lion that will literally destroy you in seconds. I mean, it's crazy. But to make it a bit fair and more like a boss, it will only spawn once you reach a certain amount of points. Let's say like 40 points. It's quite funny to see a random guy just straight up fighting with gladiators and lions on an arena. It's just insane. With that done, I added a jump pad. Yes, a jump pad. Do you know how much we needed this? Now you can actually escape when being absolutely surrounded by gladiators and lions. It also has some really nice effects which improves the player's feedback. Now we have a new boss and a jump pad to escape from some situations. But do you know what we need? A rocket launcher. That's right, you can now explode the enemies without any danger. It's so fun you can't even imagine it. Now of course, you won't be able to always have the rocket launcher in your hand. It will only appear randomly when some enemies drop it, and it only has one missile, which means that once you shoot it, you can't use it anymore, which just makes things a bit more fun, you know? So with that said, we got some cool advancements, so now it is time for Clyde to add more things on top of this.
So I made a few changes. I recently got the story framework by Visual One and wanted to add it to the project. I really didn't intend to change the camera from top down to third person, but then after integrating framework, the default camera settings was third person. It felt right, so I just went with it. Gorka like it? I don't know, but hey, it's my game now.
It's my turn! You told me it was my turn!
Then I noticed Gorka added a rocket launcher, which is really cool. He made it a drop item, but when you pick up the rocket, it replaces the sword. And since the sword wasn't a drop item, well, I had to play hero and fix that super quick. You're welcome, Gorka.
You're welcome, bro.
I also changed the rocket's explosion effect and the sound effect too. I just think this one looks a lot better than the original. I also added some new effects for the items. Yeah, they spin now.
It spins? I don't think it spins. I think they were just showing it off.
And I threw in an interactive widget that shows you which key to press when you're near the item. It's like a personal assistant, but for keys. Very fancy. Next, I got rid of the press spacebar start screen, replaced it with a main menu and a pause screen from the framework asset. I customized it, removed the continue button, and added the arena as the background. Gorka also added a lion, but there was no sound, so naturally I went ahead and added an attack sound. Oh, and for the music, I changed it. I'm not entirely sure if that was a good idea.
Shit, I don't even know. Like, I can't even tell you that.
But the old music was getting a bit annoying. So I gave it a new vibe, but hey, I'm open to going back if it doesn't work out. And in case you was wondering, I added the Ovani Unreal plugin, which lets us change the intensity of the music on the fly. We're also using Ovani music. So now we can crank things up when it gets more intense and switch to elevator music when things calm down. I also added a death screen because what's a game without a reminder that you're bad at it? You get a score plus the try again and quit button. I even added music to the death screen because why not celebrate your failures with style? Oh, and there's coins now. Well, kind of, but it's not quite ready. Currently, every item or weapon you pick gives you a coin, not super ideal. I threw in a campfire too. My original idea was that you'll be able to upgrade and buy items like food for health and weapons, but right now, it's kind of just a campfire. Speaking of items, I added a timer so they disappear after a few seconds, and lastly, I added a gladiator helmet to the player. There's a million other things that I wanted to add, but time's up, gotta love deadlines. But don't worry, more power-ups, an upgrade system, a shop, and way more weapons are coming soon. Just gotta find time to make it all happen. But that's it for now. Hopefully you liked the changes, or at least enjoyed hearing me talk about it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Alright, so Clyde just sent me the game with all the changes, and first of all we have a insane main menu. So we have, you know, literally a whole settings menu. You know, we can change the shot quality, texture quality, like crazy stuff that we need definitely for like an actual game. So let's go ahead and click a new game and see what happens. Oh my goodness, it's third person. Oh shit, this looks so cool. Alright, this is crazy.
Yeah, I didn't know if you was gonna like the third person or not.
Yeah, man, I love it. It's like a, cool twist. Okay, I started already. All right, try again. Yeah, no, definitely a lot of the change, because the goofiness is still there, and I think it's gonna be way better also when it's multiplayer.
Yeah, definitely.
Playing with friends. Also, like, it's a different perspective from the arena, right? You just kind of it's like a different feeling, right, when you're playing the game.
Exactly. And that's why I kind of kept it. It just kind of felt right. Yeah, you gotta be careful because if you don't pick up the power-ups or the weapons, they'll disappear.
Oh, so now they disappear.
Yeah.
Okay.
You got 5 seconds before they just.
Okay, 5 seconds. Wow, that's.
Yeah.
Yeah, that.
Obviously, they'll drop more if you just kill enemies. They'll drop again.
Yeah.
But...
Of course. Yeah, but that's cool. Yeah, because it adds like another layer of let's say thought into the game, right? Oh yeah, it disappeared right there in my face.
It's happened to me so many times where I've actually needed an item. I didn't have anything in my hand, and I've got like 5 enemies coming after me, or the lion, for example.
Yeah. Oh, I died.
And it would just disappear in your face. You're just running for the item.
Yeah. It's kind of fun, not gonna lie.
Yeah, the game is so fun.
It's really fun. Yeah, we could be like here like hours, bro.
No, seriously. Yesterday, I was just playing this for no reason. Like, I didn't record any footage or anything. I was just playing the game.
Just playing for fun.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, we have a campfire here.
Yeah, but it's not active at the moment. It's gonna be like our shop where we can go and buy items.
Nice. Yes, the whole shop, right?
Yeah, so I want to add like food there so you can, get life or upgrades. Or even like armor might be kind of cool, like you can buy like
armor
something.
It's a clever thing to add. That's true.
Yeah.
Yeah, imagine armor. I mean, we're gonna have the shield power up, right?
Yeah.
But I think that is like not temporary, but like
Yeah, no, that's just a one hit, right? So
exactly.
What I had in my head was with the shield, for example, what we could do is like upgrade the shield to be 2 hits, but if you buy armor, then that would be like a permanent like 1 hit, like for example, if you get hit and you have the armor, that's gonna negate it, but every time you get hit, it's gonna like, I don't know yet. I'm trying to figure it out. I don't know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
I'm trying to figure out.
I like the idea.
Or maybe like just a shield, right? So
true.
So exactly. So you see how we have 10 heart lives, we'll have like 1 shield on top of that can regenerate after a certain amount of time.
Yeah.
That might be kind of
make
cool.
Sense. Yeah, that's true. Also, I like the new font that you added. Like it fits the game.
Yeah.
That's cool. And the launch pad is so cool to escape from enemies. It's actually works. Maybe we need
helps.
It helps a lot. Maybe we need to like move them around in better areas, but the one that's there is definitely working.
Yeah, I was thinking about adding some new ones, but it's alright for now. So your high score is 27 right now.
It's 27, right? Okay. And yours is how much?
180.
Wow. I'm definitely not beating that. Oh, this skeleton plugged me. Oh, we need to disable the collision.
Yeah, we need to change the collision there.
Oh shit. Really, the problem is when like more than 2 guys come to you, That's the problem.
Bro, it gets so like I don't know if you did this on purpose, but once like the lion comes and you kill the lion, and then another lion comes after that lion, whatever.
Yeah,
like the enemies the enemies will just keep coming after that. Yeah. So when there's 3, like when you have 2 enemies and a lion, now you have 3 enemies. But once you kill that lion and another lion comes, now you have 4 enemies, and it will just keep.
Right,
it'll keep multiplying.
Right? Yeah.
It's insane. I've gotten to like 5 enemies all at once. It's crazy.
Wow.
Yeah. After that, it's too hard to actually play. You'd need to just be super lucky and get like multiple RPGs and use them at the right time.
Yeah, that's really a thing too. Oh shit, I launched it the other way around.
Yeah, it's super weird to use the RPG right now, but it's super helpful if you.
there's some modifications that we could do, or and even it's kind of fun like this, and more tricky.
Can you see?
Yeah, I see it. I see it
Alright,
perfectly.
All right, I don't want to embarrass myself here and get like 5 points, so I'm gonna try.
You won.
I don't know, dude. You went to 90. That's huge.
Honestly, I don't know how I did that, but you got to 180 with this double, so you're definitely gonna be doing better than me.
Oh, I think I just messed up. I shouldn't have done that.
Oh, now you don't have a sword.
Yeah, the sword is so needed.
Wow, okay.
Okay, I got a sword.
Yeah, you managed to escape that build-up.
Oh man, it's so
doing good.
stressful. Why did you have to get 90 points, bro? Why?
Oh,
I'm
man,
not gonna beat it. I'm not beating 90. I'm not beating 90. There's no way.
Bro,
I'm
you
dead.
are.
No, I'm dead. I'm dead. No, I'm so dead. I'm so dead.
Go to the jump pad.
Yeah, for sure.
That's this kid.
No, I'm dead. I'm
Oh,
dead.
you're
I'm dead.
dying.
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. All right. 50.
Oh, I beat
All right.
Clyde.
You win. You win. You win. That's the only try I'll have. 50 points, not too bad.
Not
When
too
you
bad,
beat
honestly. I mean, the first time
too
that I
bad.
tried it, what did I get, like 12? So that's better than me. So yeah, guys, go ahead and let us know your high scores down in the comments, and of course, if you want to send some gameplay or screenshots, you can do it through Discord, right? So the link will be in the description. And yeah, so that's it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel. Also, go ahead and check out Clyde and download the game on HIO. It's completely free. And with that said, bye bye.